Recreating a no-mess beginner Bollywood-inspired look, but for a wedding. Love how it's simple yet different from an open hair look. For the hairstyle, create a partition. Take the first two strands and pin it up. Now section your hair the usual braiding way. Make sure to not tighten the pleats and create a loose braid. Now taking the two strands ahead, before heating, please don't forget to apply a heat protectant. I'm using the Be Blunt Hot Shot Mist, which keeps my hair away from the damage and even the frizz. I got the hair straightening brush instead of the hair straightener tool, particularly because of how easy it is for beginners to use. Literally straightens all my hair in under 10 minutes and even curls it. 2 in 1. Don't believe me? I'll show you. Take the first strand, keep the brush comb facing upwards, roll it inwards and hold it for a few seconds. Now loosen the brush vertically to achieve a soft curl. So how beautiful! I'm using the Hot Shot Hold Spray for firm hold so that these curls stay throughout the day. Adding pearl pins to make it more wedding-like. Use my code for a 20% off to straighten or curl your hair. Bye!